So I was listening to this podcast today morning wherein the master coach who trains sprinters was asked by the podcaster, what is more tougher to train, an athlete for 100 meters race or an athlete for 200 meters sprint? Now the answer was, in 100 meters race you use the entire energy consumption and combustion. So unmindfully you have to use your energy powers because the distance is relatively shorter. Now when coming to 200 meters you also have to strategize yourself, because if your takeoff utilizes more combustion of your energy, maybe the midpoint you have to control yourself, or maybe the finishing point requires आपको एनर्जी ज़्यादा यूज़ करनी है, एग्जॉस्ट करनी है. सो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट स्ट्रैटेजी एंड ऑल्सो it is more about movement training. According to the athlete, 200 meters की sprinting is more tougher than a 100 meters sprint because उसके अंदर आपको strategize करना है. Also more importantly and essentially आपको अपनी movement training को बहुत ज़्यादा practice करना है. For this you have FT60 by Wellness Gym Equipment, a plate loaded movement training equipment now for your gyms. FT60 offers you dual combination. One side you have a functional trainer, the only ever functional trainer built which has free weights. You have the liberty to keep playing with the plate loaded weight stack. प्लेट लोडेड में मोमेंटम कंपैरेटिवली बहुत मिनिमाइज हो जाता है बिकॉज मोमेंटम गेन होता है फिक्स वेट स्टैक के अंदर. उसमें पुलिस का रोल बहुत ज़्यादा प्ले होता है, वो यहाँ पे मिसिंग रहेगा. You also have Smith machine inbuilt without counterweight. Counterweight में if this bar is 20 kilos, counterweight आपकी उस weight को neutralize कर देती है. Not having a counterweight will give you a direct load of 20 kilos. So जो इसमें weight lifting में, आपको squatting में, bench presses में, shoulder press में, अगर आपको चाहिए कि energy आपकी direct exhaust हो without it getting compromised because of counterweights, this Smith machine will offer you that solution. One of the most comprehensive training is your pull-ups. So you have different alignments for your pull-up. आप अपनी body को कितनी भी alignments and angles पे set करके pull-ups perform कर सकते हैं. FT60 will offer you enough bodybuilding training. So अगर आप इसको gym पे लगा रहे हो, आप इसको अपने functional trainer से replace कर सकते हैं. अगर आप एक Smith machine plan कर रहे हो, या most of the gyms today don't invest space, money and resources on installing a Smith machine. So they would usually use a power rack against a Smith machine. Now this functional trainer will offer you dual purpose. So it has a Smith machine, it also has a functional trainer. आप अपनी सारी बॉडी बिल्डिंग की ट्रेनिंग इस मशीन पे इंकॉर्पोरेट करके यूटिलाइज करवा सकते हैं अपने मेंबर्स को. बट additionally what you gain is movement training on this side of the functional trainer. किसी को भी किसी भी sporting के लिए आपने तैयार करना है, किसी भी event के लिए, या maybe body performance करवानी है, आपने movement training करानी है, आपके पास clients बहुत different solutions लेने के लिए आते हैं. Functional training and movement training is the answer. This gives you that leverage so that you can play around with their tricks, body and performances. Gymming is basically a lifestyle. It's a kind of habit which you form, which you practice every day, that gets you back into the gym. But as a gym owner, you have to make sure that you have to connect your client with the right equipment so that it incites your client to come back to the gym the next day. FT60 is another new addition which you should have inside your gym. One of the recent international launches across the globe. Make this addition inside your gym. Get movement training also practiced on this one equipment. So this offers you functional trainer, Smith machine and enormous load of exercises. इसकी accessories को आपने mandatorily साथ में लेना है. Make sure your clients make the best use of this. Speak to us for great solutions around building a good functional training zone inside your gyms.